Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the important basic terms used in accounting. According to AICPA, that means American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting had been defined as an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money, transactions, and events, which are in part at least of financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. Now we are going to learn about the basic terms used in accounting. In accounting, many technical words are commonly used. Therefore, it is essential to know their meaning. The first important terms of accounting is business. Any legal action that is done in order to earn income or profit is called business. It includes the production of goods and services, purchases and sale of goods and services, banking, insurance, education, transport, etc. Business may be defined as the process of purchasing or selling goods and services with the profit of earning money by satisfying the needs of the customer. Next important term used in accounting is trade. Trade means purchase and sale of goods and services in order to earn profit is called trade. There are two types of trade: wholesale trade and retail trade. Then, one more classification: internal trade and external trade. Next important term used in accounting is capital. Capital is the amount invested by the owner in the firm. It may be brought in the form of cash or assets by the owner, for the business entity. Capital is an obligation and a claim on the assets of business. It is shown as capital on the liability side of the balance sheet. The amount of cash, goods, or assets which is initially invested by the proprietor while commencing the business is called capital. It is invested in the business to earn profits. In other words, the excess of assets over liability is called capital. Another important concept used in accounting is assets. Assets are the economic resources of an enterprise that can be usefully expressed in monetary terms. Assets are the economic resources of the company. All the resources of business having economic value are called assets. These resources help the business to earn profit and have future value. These are important for running a business and are in the possession of businessmen. Assets are the items of value used by the business in the operations. For example, Super Bazaar owns a fleet of trucks which is used for delivering foodstuffs. The trucks thus provide economic benefit to the enterprise. This item will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet of Super Bazaar. Assets can be broadly classified into current assets and non current assets. The examples of current assets are cash balance, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, bills payable, inventory, prepaid expenses, accrued income, etc. Second classification of assets is fixed assets or non current assets. Fixed assets can be again divided into tangible assets and intangible assets. The assets which are used by the business for a long time are called fixed assets or non current assets. These are continued to be used by the business for the period of more than 1 year. Example: land, building, plant and machinery, etc. Non current assets includes fixed assets, non current investments, deferred tax assets, long term loans and advances, and other current assets. Fixed assets can be again divided into two tangible assets and intangible assets. Tangible assets includes plant and machinery, building, furniture, etc. Intangible assets include goodwill, patent, copyright, trademark, etc. Thank you.